Hi everyone, welcome to yet another exciting episode of Life Hacks with Abu Shadab. Today, I don't have a Superman, I don't have a Batman, I don't even have an Aquaman, but I have a market man. Yes, you heard me correct. He is no other than Toastmaster Paramjot Singh, who is a marketer by professional, and he calls himself a global citizen. Toastmaster Paramjot Singh. The reason why I call him Toastmaster, which is quite evident that he is part of Toastmasters and he is also part of EC, Executive Committee, and he holds a very important position that is the post of VPPR. VPPR is Vice President Public Relations. Toastmaster Paramjot Singh has actually created a brand for himself when it comes to EC. There are certain steps that he has taken and that has amazed people. Something that he has done for the club that I want to share with everyone is he has helped members to upgrade their LinkedIn profile. He he has also gone ahead and he has started the campaign which is Go Green campaign. He was also he was also the master planner for recycle waste. And last but not the least, his latest baby is called Leaders Are Readers. I take a lot of pride to have Paramjot Singh as part of my EC, and I consider this a sheer blessing to have him in Life Hacks with Abu. So, Toastmaster Paramjot Singh, welcome to Life Hacks with Abu Shadab.
Thank you so much for a warm and overwhelming welcome. Thank you so much, Abu. And I also feel pride to work as the VPPR for the club as a officer of an executive committee where you are the president or the leader. And thank you all for always supporting me on my personal as well as my professional fronts. I have been looking out to you for a lot of help, and you have always suggested a very righteous approach in terms of getting onto the problems and the things in life. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you so much, Paramjot Singh. Uh, it's always an honor, and something that I would also love to share is before we go ahead and start with the interview and understand certain life hacks, I asked Paramjot Singh as to why did he choose to become a part of the EC, and he had a very simple yet extremely echoing answer. He said that I have become a part of the EC because I want to serve the community. It certainly gave me goosebumps. And he also mentioned that if anybody needs help, I'll be there available. And it is amazing how he's always available to help members. So thank you so much for that wonderful definition. Having said that, without further ado, what is the topic that you would like to talk about today, Paramjot Singh?
Building your personal brand is my topic I want to talk about.
Wow, that's an interesting topic. Now, as you are the one who is leading with leaders and leaders, and you suggested the book uh, Start with Why. So my question will be, start with why. Why personal branding?
So, personal brand is like your health. Like every day you work and maintain your health, your personal brand is like your health. You need to maintain it every day. So, let me first start with defining the term brand. Brand means a promise which a brand or a company makes to its customers. Same way, a personal brand is again a personal promise, a personality promise, which a person makes to his company, the people he works with, or the organization or a government he works with. So that's the personal brand. And why it is important is because in these tough time, maintaining a personal brand is very, very important because it gives you an edge in this high competitive and a fast paced world.
Thank you so much. Another question will be why personal branding is super duper important, especially considering COVID 19.
So, Abu, you must have heard and read about COVID layoffs, or the economy globally has been collapsed or being very unstable. People are unstable in terms of their emotional quotient also, and financially we are also facing a lot of issues. So once this dust settles, the companies, the people, the government will going to retain or hire the person who has such relevance, who has something which gives him an edge over his job than other. The best among the best will be employed. And for being that, you need to think through, you need to introspect, and you need to invest in your person.
That's a very very valid point. Thank you so much. Now, Paramjot Singh, can you think of someone who has done amazing when it comes to building his or her personal brand?
So, Abu, there are a lot of people these days who are investing in their personal brand. My personal favorite is, if you have heard of a vlogger, Jay Shetty. He used to be,
Yeah.
he's known as urban monk. He has changed the definitions of like being, whenever we see or think of a monk, we always think they are they are wasting their life, they are doing nothing. But he has learned that skill. He has learned that skill, then he imbibed, and now he's spreading that word across all with every one of us. So Jay Shetty is a good example. He's one of the world's biggest social media influencer these days. Then, if I talk about celebrities, we can take example of Amitabh Bachchan. Mr. Bachchan has invested himself so much that he's earning royalties of the change and the brand he has worked on. He's earning those kind of royalties. He was such a common man, and how he has changed himself, how his even a voice, his voice is helping him earn a lot of money and fame.
Thank you so much. My next question to you would be the role of social media when it comes to personal brand.
So social media is a very strong medium to create a personal brand. If I consider these days, even a prime minister or a president is like selected on basis of the personal media, how personal on social media, how social media is helping. People will decide the prime minister president over his social media presence, because a politician, specifically the position like president and prime minister, is the epitome of creating a personal brand. People vote for them. People vote for them, and like they show their belief that this person will going to change my life. We are giving him a power to rule us because we believe in them. And so that's why social media is very important to tell your story in the world.
Wow, that's an excellent answer. So that was when we talk about leaders. But let's understand people like you and me, a common man. So a person like Paramjot Singh, what do you do to upgrade your personal brand?
So the power which this digital world, this globalization, this social media has given to us is the power to create a reach and create a word of mouth while sitting at home, while creating a blog, while creating a blog, while creating a podcast. These are the ways which are simply, if I say, to create your personal brand. You build your YouTube channel, you build your LinkedIn profile while using the right tactics. Like Rock Your LinkedIn Profile is a course which we are running in the club, where we are telling people how they can invest in their personal brand. And I think we have got a good results also. People are starting getting interview calls from the HR, and they are getting 400% more reach of person according to the analytics which we are seeing. So this is a way we can create our personal brand, and we don't need to think that we need to be a celebrity or a politician while creating a personal brand. A common man is not common these days, as we always.
Thank you so much. There was no pun intended. It was just a straightforward answer. Okay, the last question to you would be, Paramjot. Are there certain pitfalls, or is there something that we need to be careful of when we are trying to work towards building our personal brand?
Yes. Like it's as it is important to create a personal brand. The same thing is important to be careful of certain things like pigeonholing yourself. For example, you are creating a while working or creating your profile, or you are into a field, you are creating a deep dive into that field, but that should not be a typecast for your profile. I give you a very common example. You must have heard of actor Akshay Kumar. When
Yes.
he joined Bollywood, he was known as a Khiladi Kumar, an action hero. He never got a good, insightful films, which may have changed his career at that point of time. But he continued to do that. Then his wife and he decided to change and work on their personal profile. Now we can see such an inspiring films like Padman, Michelle Mangal, and etc. and etc. And how he's versatile towards changing the perception and remove the stereotype or the typecast personality around him. So that's why he has changed it. Second thing is the diminishing returns. This personal brand is a journey, not a destination. It's not like you will do a course, or you will go for a workshop and boom, you have created a big personal brand. It's a journey which requires a relentless efforts you need to make. And as I told you in my starting of my talk, your personal brand is your health. Start investing it. Change the directions if you want. You will need to do course correction throughout the ways, as how you can build and rectify your actions and create a personal brand out of it. The third is avoid negative publicity. If you get an idea of getting fame very 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 fast, or everybody is looking for shortcuts, but don't indulge in negative publicity. Sometimes you fall into the pit hole because of this. I've seen a lot of people who has a very positive aura, but on their social media profile they supported some politician or other. If you are known as somebody from people who will look forward to learn from, never try to get into a controversial topic or say about it. If you have, there are certain forums you can go and place your opinion there, but try not to share anything without considering with thinking that that will get you publicity, or that will get you fame in the world. These are my 3 points.
Thank you so much, m- global citizen, marketer, Toastmaster Paramjot Singh. You have been an absolute joy, and thank you so much for sharing such wonderful tips. I'm sure it is very important that we need to work towards it. And when we start working towards it, we'll come across and we'll be able to have a different personal branding all about ourselves.
Thank you so much, Abu. Thank you so much for having me here. I had a very insightful session. So
Sure, that will be all. Thank you so much, Toastmaster, marketer, global citizen, Paramjot Singh.
thank you so much.